Okay, it is supposed to be really hot today, so I'm gonna have to film this one really quickly, but hopefully you'll enjoy what we see. Let's go. I'm hoping that the location I've picked today should be a good one for a hot day like today, because there's quite a lot of shade, thankfully, under the trees, but also we've got the lakes. So I'm hoping that it should be, it's still going to be hot, but hopefully not as hot as some other places I might visit. So let's go and see. Now this would be a good place here to be in right now. This is the ice house. Have a look. So this reserve was part of an estate, and so the big house is just over there, and this ice house here would be where they would keep the ice before we had refrigeration, of course, and electronics. And they're also really great places now for bats. Now this one I think doesn't have actually any access, but I have studied bats that live or occupy ice houses, and yeah, they are really cool structures. If you ever get a chance to have a look in one, do make sure you do. It's very warm already, even in the shade of these beautiful trees. Oh, a speckled butterfly just there. Oh, lovely to see. If you've been subscribed to the channel for a while, you'll recognise my tiny little camera bag. But I decided that now it's time to upgrade my kit. And with that, I'm also going to need a bigger bag. So yeah, I've been squeezing as much as I possibly could into my tiny little camera bag. But with the money gear, it's just not going to work. I can't possibly squeeze any more into that one. So I've upgraded and managed to get this one second hand in an amazing camera shop. And I am really chuffed with it. So shall we have a look what's inside? I love the fact that this one, it's got really nice straps, and it actually opens from the back, which I do have to keep reminding myself as well, because I'm used to it being my other one from the front. But inside, I have got my brand new camera. We'll try and get it open, and then we'll maybe take a wander around and go and give it a try, shall we? Alright, let's see what we've got. Yeah, so excited. It's like Christmas. So I have gone for the Sony ZV-E10 II. I've gone for the kit. Now this is actually a vlogging camera. And I know that I'm a vlogger, obviously, but some of you will know I've been looking for a wildlife camera for quite a while. But one of the conditions for me is that it needs to be lightweight, because I've got arthritis in my hands and I can't be lugging some of the things that I would love to use, but in practice, really, I'm not going to be able to. So I've been shopping around for quite a while, trying to find something that will give me what I need so I can show you the amazing creatures out here. But also be lightweight enough that I can use it as a handheld. So this is what I've come to. I hope I've made the right decision. Got a little Sony strap in there, so that's cool. Let's have a look what else we've got here. Camera body. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, so excited. Yeah, it is pretty lightweight. That feels really good actually, which is what I was hoping. I would love a big fancy camera, but I know that realistically I won't be able to use it. So I've gone for this. It's got a nice flip display as well. So that'll be really handy with the screen. So I can use it for vlogging, but I can also use it, well, the main purpose of this is going to be able to get better footage so I can show you what I'm looking at. So yeah, here she is, my beautiful new camera. Now you might think, oh, that lens doesn't look like a wildlife lens. Bear with me, this is just the beginning. So the great thing about this camera is that it's a Sony E-mount. So that means that I have, I think, options of up to 70 different lenses for this camera, including macro and some really nice telephoto lenses as well. The lens I am going to get, I am so excited about, but that is going to be my birthday present. So I'm very excited for it, but I haven't got it yet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to play for it with this kit lens that comes with it and get used to using it, and then very soon I will have my nice bigger lens with variable range on it, so I can go out and hopefully start getting some better footage to show you when I'm out and about. Now this one is a 16-50 lens, which comes in some of the kits with this one. You can buy just the body on its own, but I went for the kit because actually it was a lot better value, and it means I can just get started and yeah, hopefully start getting used to using this beauty. Right, that's the camera. So also in the box we had our little strap there. Also, because it's a vlogging camera, we've got our lovely little floofy microphone covers in here as well. Now, I think the good thing about this is I should be able to use it for just vlogging as well, like I am doing right now, although I do love my DJI for that. It's my absolute favourite, even more over the GoPro now. Oh, and my battery. Yeah, gonna need that one. The camera battery just drops in really simply and says in there, and then really easily then with the little flick just drops out. So that's really neat. Pleased with that. Good. And even with the battery, that really doesn't feel too heavy at all, so I'm very glad about that. Okay, let's see if we can get this thing started. Rookie mistake number one, the battery isn't charged, it doesn't come charged. I got so used to tech coming charged, so bear that in mind. Make sure you charge your battery before you want to start using it, but not to worry. We're juicing it now as we speak. Now it's got a port here for your SD card in here, and as always, I'll get it the wrong way around first time around. Oh no, maybe I was the right way around first time around. Okay, and click that one into there. I've also got in here a little HDMI and headphone jack in there, charge point, of course, USB-C, and a little power socket there as well. Okay, while that's juicing up, let's go and see what we can hear. Oh, I got my bird of the day for the first time in a long time. Got a blackcap and a tree creeper, which are known around here. I haven't seen them yet. Got a blackcap, tree creeper, wren, wood pigeon, of course, blackbird and robin so far, and I can see some ducks. There's definitely been some Canada geese over here. So we're going to have a look what we can see. If you're new to the channel, I'm Dr. Kaylee and I'm a wildlife detective, and I'm here to take you on wildlife adventures like this one. So make sure that you're subscribed if you're not already down below, and make sure you've got your notifications on so you can keep up with my weekly wildlife adventures. Let's get back to it. Here we go. Let's get off. Now, I have actually also bought some filters, some UV filters for, I've got a UV filter and a polarizing filter as well for this that I'm going to try out. Mainly actually for me, just to protect this lens. So I'll have a go at putting one of those on in a minute, but that's what we look like so far. Try and figure out how this baby works. Now it's got loads of cool, there we go, recognition target animal. It's got lots of cool sort of like eye detection bits in it. We are set to, we can change to, that's cool. Bird, we can change to human, change to animal. So then it will hopefully auto detect. Now, obviously like all technologies, this is going to be finicky. So should we try bird and see how that goes? Let's give it a go. As you can see, I'm on 2%, but I am connected to power, so hopefully we'll limp it along. Oh, there we go. There's the zoom. Oof. See that. Right, that's wide. As wide as it will go on that lens. And that's as far as we can see on this lens. So hopefully still better than my little DJI for bits, but we'll get more out of it when I upgrade to that other lens as well. Back to bird again, shall we? Definitely going to see more than I do with my DJI, and that's the main thing, isn't it? See if I can start. Let's try the animal function, shall we? Let's try animal. It's going to be getting used to all the buttons and things, isn't it? That's as far out as it will go on this lens. Zoom. Well, that's really good with the tracking actually. Just manually track to that focus point and it's sticking with that pretty well. That's cool. Let's just zoom out a bit. At least I've got some willing subjects today. That's good, isn't it? It's got a nice little touch screen as well. I really like that. With practice, hopefully, that'll go better. Really chuffed with this. You can see here, hopefully, this lovely garlic mustard. It's all in fruit now. See how it likes doing this. It's going to take some getting used to, but hopefully with time and practice I will get it. So yeah, there's some of the fruits. Well, I'm afraid that's it for today. I'm overheating, the cameras are overheating, and it's definitely time to go and find somewhere cooler, because even in the shade here, it is very warm today. But I'm really pleased with how this camera is doing on a first go, and hopefully with some practice, I can be getting some better wildlife footage on our wildlife adventures. So make sure you subscribe down below, and don't miss the next one. We're going on a big one next time. See you later.